Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 soars in second rocket-powered flight test vertical bracket space.com. Follow. Tech. Spaceflight. Science astronomy. Search for life. Skywatching. Entertainment. Shop. Follow. Tech. Spaceflight. Science astronomy. Search for life. Skywatching. Entertainment. Shop. Trending. Comet Ison, Skywatching Guide, Mars Rover Curiosity, Solar Flares, Space Photos, Space Videos, Telescopes, for beginners. Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 soars in second rocket-powered flight test. By Douglas Messier, Space.com contributor vertical bracket September 5, 2013 1:27 p.m. at Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 completed its second powered flight on September 5, 2013 over California's Mojave Desert. This image was taken by Mars Scientific, as part of the Mobile Aerospace Reconnaissance System optical tracking system. Credit, copyright, C. 2013 Mars Scientific. All rights reserved. View full-size image. Mojave, California. A private Virgin Galactic spaceship built to carry passengers on suborbital joyrides missed its second powered test flight Thursday, September 5, breaking the sound barrier, as it roared through the skies here over the Mojave Desert. Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 soared skyward in a column of bright orange flames and white smoke after being released from its white night to mothership. Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 rises into the sky under rocket power on September 5, 2013. At right is White Knight 2, the private spaceplane's mothership, which carried it into the sky. Credit, Kenneth Brown / Aerospace Photography. View full-size image. In a blog post published after the test, Virgin Galactic's founder, British billionaire Sir Richard Branson, said the spaceship was released at 46,000 feet, 14,000 meters, and burned its hybrid rocket engine for 20 seconds, which was 4 seconds longer than on the previous flight. The craft reached a maximum altitude of 65,000 feet, 19,812 m, and a top speed of Mach 1.6, Virgin Galactic officials said in a statement. Left square bracket. See more photos of Spaceship2's second rocket-powered test flight. Right square bracket. This is a giant step, Branson wrote on his blog. Our spaceship is now the highest commercial winged vehicle in history. We also successfully tested its feather system for carefree re-entry to the first time that has happened in a rocket-powered flight. Test pilots Mark Stuckey and Clint Nichols put the 6-passenger spaceship through its paces, conducting a test of the feather re-entry system for the first time in powered flight before guiding the vehicle to a safe touchdown in runway 30 at the Mojave Air and Spaceport. SS2 has successfully completed another supersonic rocket-powered test flight. Hit our planned duration, altitude, and speed, Virgin Galactic officials announced via Twitter Thursday. Spaceship2 will carry 6 passengers up past 328,000 feet altitude, 100 kilometers, the point where astronaut wings are awarded. See how Virgin Galactic Spaceship2 works in the Space.com infographic. Credit, Carl Tate, Space.com contributor. View full-size image. The Thursday test flight, Spaceship2's first powered flight, since its history-making debut on April 29, was delayed about an hour, as engineers worked through an issue with a faulty sensor that indicated a fuel leak. They ultimately bypassed the sensor and took off at 11:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 15:06 Greenwich Mean Time, 8:06 a.m. local time. The smoke emitted by the spaceplane's hybrid engine was white, a noticeable difference from the black smoke of the first rocket-powered spaceship to test flight in April. The reason for the difference was not immediately clear. This test marked White Knight 2's 132nd flight, and the 29th for Spaceship2. Virgin Galactic officials have said they hope to fly Spaceship2 in a suborbital flight to an altitude of at least 62 miles, 100 kilometers, by the end of the year and begin commercial service in 2014.